An interesting factor of this growth is the incorporation of many human beings who've left planet Earth to be a part of our patrol efforts. A lot of them were dwelling lives of exquisite struggles and sacrifice, so they were given the possibilities to enroll in forces with us in a more positive way. When you consider that they themselves have scaled such a tough way of existence, they've got now selected to help their earthly brothers and sisters by working with us from the higher nation states. We are deeply honored that you have made this decision, and we've got welcomed you with the utmost pleasure and love. Those new members of our fleet are of awesome benefit to us, as they can deliver firsthand understanding of what you on Earth are actually experiencing. A perspective which can most effective come from reveling itself, the painful memories of what they have scaled before leaving the planet had been enhanced by healing guidance before they joined us. But evidently, there could be an empathic connection of pain that will revive in them as they begin their work with you at the floor. The sun is sending out unprecedented flares and reacting to the adjustments in the galactic core or principal sun. The resonance has been spiking off the scale. There was an increase in severe climate, earthquake, and volcanic hobby. Societies go through a major transformation. Human beings are leaving the cities, which in lots of cases have grown to be corrupted beyond redemption. The fall in recognition and power draws the natural failures designed to ease up and restore the land. Recognize the method. Realize the dreams of the cabal and the world elite, the beast, which create divisions among families, cultures, religions, and gender to divide and overcome. Recognize who the white hats are, those who stand for freedom, the charter and invoice of rights which exemplify familial law. Each time there is a massive damage through and massive jump in frequency, things can pass a piece wrong, like while we stumble upon matters or are clumsy. All a part of the dimensional shift, as we are 3D and higher dimensional frequency bands activated, aligning with and anchoring them. While the magnetic field is amplified, we might also feel like we are on the deliver and all gets a little woozy and wobbly. Earthen and salt baths are a godsend, especially when we feel nauseous, dizzy, achy, or unbalanced. Earthing facilitates us to synchronize and balance our personal power area and geomagnetic field with that of the Earth, because it continues to shift and alternate, allowing all to turn out to be less dense. I've actually observed a whole lot of interference, and after some clearing today, it turned into apparent that I wasn't simply feeling ascension symptoms, but it became interference. My energy got lower back to normal, and my mood stepped forward after a few effective clearing. I recommend making the request to be related to the open again drift back with supply and for all negative active achievements, hooks, and connections to be reduced and cleared. We are so proud of you, who've so bravely chosen to undertake human from right now, whether operating many of the floor forces or in the air. If you have the privilege of residing a life that isn't certainly one of excessive problem, or struggling, consider it from a 5D attitude. Of course, we want you to realize how much your efforts as floor crew members are wanted and favored. We couldn't perform the essential work inside the air without the try and help of these of you on the ground. Please understand this. We usually keeping you inside the love and light of the cosmic Christ, as we send you all the love, light, and joy that we are able to send in. Any moment now, the frequency net and all the great device is going ahead offline, and the new will fully update and override it. We simultaneously get rid of the terrible entities, beings, and dissolve the degrees realities. They don't exist within the better timelines, and the better frequencies are making it impossible for them to be embodied here. The new great device is already purposeful and ready to move. Remember, it is all about frequency, not linear time, and it looks like we are almost here.